Welcome to your brand new channel in the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we have an exciting new episode titled Sync Your Voice or Any Sound to Any Image or Video Using Lip Sync for Free. So, let's dive right in. Look everyone, this incredible site is truly wonderful. Best of all, it's completely free. As soon as I log in, it rewards me with 300 points. As you can clearly see, these 300 points refresh every single day, which is fantastic. Here, I can easily upload my video or image. Just a quick note, the video shouldn't have any dialogue in it. The platform also informs you that you can add text, and it mentions that you can upload a pre-recorded voice or even record a voice directly on the site. I happen to already have a voice clip saved on my computer. I select the voice recording I made earlier. Then, I have two versions to choose from. One version lasts 90 seconds, which unfortunately costs credits, and the other is shorter at 30 seconds, but it only costs 6 credits.